Hello, my name is Kiwi McGuire. I am so excited that you are interested. You're curious. You're thinking, what could it be like if I join as a Norwex consultant, if I open up a consultant account? There are so many options. We have 3 different kit options, very simple and easy. I'm going to break it down to you so you can decide if this is a good fit for you. The first thing I want to mention is that I welcome everybody on my team. It does not matter if you simply just want to unlock our 35% discount and be a shopper for yourself, or if you're like, Kiwi, I want to see if I can make some money at this. And of course you can, but I want to see if that's a good fit for you. And then the third option is you're like, I know that I want to rock a business. I need to do this for myself and my family. Then yes, let's talk about the options, but everybody is welcome. Everybody on my team is treated the exact same, whether you want that discount or you want to rock a business. I will support you. Now that we've gotten that over with, I want to talk to you about the kit options. As I mentioned, we have 3. 2 are a risk-free kit, meaning that you simply pay for the kit and you have unlocked your 35% discount, and you do not have any sales obligation. The third kit does have a sales obligation, and I'm going to tell you why you might still want to get that as a perfect starter kit to join with. All right, let's start with the first kit. That is our sample starter kit. Our sample starter kit is $30, and what you get with this are all of these samples. You are going to be set up for success to share Norwex with friends and family, even if you just want a discount. And I want to share, I really want to emphasize, when I started, I just used the discount for 2 years. I didn't sell it. I never had intentions of becoming a leader, but having samples, you get 10 EnviroCloth samples, 10 window cloth samples, 10 body cloth samples, and you get our PowerZyme samples. Why this is fabulous is your friends and family also need to have Norwex in their home. They need to have products that are cleaner, safer, better, and they're going to save them money. They're going to be healthier for the family. I am sure every one of you knows someone, if it's not yourself or your kids, that have sensitive skin, that need to have products that are clean and safe. Many people come up to me and say, Kiwi, no, I have to get something special for my child because they have eczema or they have asthma and allergies like we do. And this product, like our PowerZyme laundry detergent or our Ultra Power Plus, they're both EWG verified, meaning it's the gold standard. There are no ingredients that cause harm to humans. So it is absolutely the most sensitive and ideal, not just the greenwashing that goes on from the stuff you buy at the grocery store. When you get the sample kit, you can instantly share with your friends and family, and that will help you keep your discount going. You can just have a few friends who say, hey, I need more detergent. I need more of that EWG verified Ultrazyme for my dishwasher, or I need some skincare. So all of those things, it just really sets you up for success with that sample starter kit and no risk. The second kit is our Safe Haven Plus package. This package is $149. It also does not come with any sales. This also does not have a sales obligation. So it is a great kit to start. You're going to get some more things. You also get those samples, but in addition to the samples, you're going to get the EnviroCloth window cloth, dusty mitt, the mini power cleaning paste, and the laundry detergent and business supplies. Plus, you're going to get the new EWG verified microfiber booster. That microfiber cleaner is absolutely phenomenal. You're going to want it. You're going to want it for yourself. You're going to want to share it with other people. You get a lot of products in the Safe Haven Plus package. And again, no sales obligation. Now let's talk about the standard starter kit. This one does have a sales obligation. However, even if you just want a discount, this is a great option because it instantly, also, of course, it unlocks your 35% discount. Also, Norwex will immediately send you the mop system, all the products in the Safe Haven 5, EnviroCloth, window cloth, dusty cleaning paste, detergent, the rubber brush in the mop system, and a set of 3 body cloths, and then business supplies. So you instantly can hit the ground running and share Norwex with people and start earning an income. And as I said, with all the kids, you instantly unlock a 35% discount. All of these are amazing options. But now let's talk about little upgrades that you can add. We have an upgrade package that can be added to any of the 3 kits. I highly recommend it. It's called our skincare package. This skincare package is phenomenal. It's all EWG verified. The microfiber is Oikotech certified. And you are going to get all of our essentials. You're going to get all of our essentials. You're going to get the cleansing powder, the renewing eye cream, the daily moisturizer, the detox and restore night cream. It's to die for. And liquid gold, the illuminating oil. You're going to get all of those plus a set of 3 body and face cloths. Now, what makes the upgrade so great? There are a couple of things. One is you're going to get not just 35% off this package, you're also going to get an additional 10%. So a better deal than what I can get. You pay $176, but the retail value is over $300. If you're trying to earn some bonuses I'm about to tell you about, this kit instantly helps you achieve those easier. Because although you only pay $176, you get credit for $300. I absolutely love the upgrade no matter which of the 3 kits you add on. It's a very smart upgrade. Now, you do not have to add it when you sign up. I recommend it because why not get it right away and start using it? Your skin will thank you. But you have 45 days to add it. In fact, 45 days is the magic number with Norwex because when you join, when you open a consultant account, you have 45 days where you can add that bonus. You also have 45 days to earn 3 bonuses. We have 3 bonuses. Each one is valued at about $150. And if you qualify for your kit, you will earn all 3 of these, just doing them in a certain time frame. The first bonus is called our Bright Start 1. You earn the Bright Start 1 when you submit $500 in your first 15 days. Every number I'm talking about is the retail cost. We do get our discount on this. So if you're like, Kiwi, I just want to buy the products for myself and I want to earn these bonuses, you can do that as well. If you submit, when you submit $500 in your first 15 days, you will instantly earn this Kitchen Essentials bonus. You get everything in here for free and you'll get free shipping with it. When you earn this bonus, you can log into your new Norwex account and you will see that you can add it to an order and free shipping. You're going to get all of these products and it's about $146 value. That's Bright Start Bonus 1. Now, if you submit 1,000, again, when you submit 1,000 in 30 days, you will earn Bright Start 2. Bright Start 2 is our bathroom bonus. And in this kit, it's about $150 worth of Norwex. You're going to get all of these things, the toilet brush, the bathroom cleaner, the bathroom scrub mitt, all of this stuff for free and that free shipping. Then when you submit 1,545 days, remember I said in 45 days, that's our magic number when you join, 45 days to qualify and earn your kit for free. If you have chosen that standard kit, you need to submit 1,500 in your first 45 days. And now you will earn that Bright Start Bonus 3, our laundry bundle. You're going to get the Powerzyme, the wool dryer balls. You're going to get all of the mini fluffy duster, Enviro Wand, all of these products plus for free. Again, about $140, $150 worth of stuff. All said and done, when you join, whether, let's say you join with that standard kit. Standard kit is valued at about $350. And then you have all the bonuses, that's $440. You have about $800 worth of free Norwex that you have earned in 45 days. And are you ready for the best part? You've also earned $525 in commission. How amazing is that? When you submit $1,500 in your first 45 days, you are getting $800 in free product, and you've earned $525 in commission if you are doing a launch party, if you're sharing with your friends and family. Absolutely phenomenal. You can see that there's lots of reasons to join and to try to work a business. We also have bonuses for people when you add people to Norwex as well. In your first 45 days, you're actually going to get 3 golden tickets with your starter kit. These golden tickets you can hand out to your friends and family. You're going to get $35 off for your friend to join Norwex when they order the Safe Haven Plus package. And then when they join and they hit their Bright Start 1, you get $100 in Norwex discounts. If you have 3 people in 45 days join, remember that 45 is that magic number. If you have 3 people join, you are going to get that $300 in Norwex discounts plus a $100 cash bonus. And if they all qualify for your kit, each person, you're going to get a $300 in Norwex discount. You have the possibility of $400 from each of those people. That's a total of $1,200 in Norwex discounts plus a $100 cash bonus. If you're like, Kiwi, I really need to make some money. I know that money is tight. It is for all of us. If you want to have a little wiggle room in your budget, whether you need to pay for dance classes, whether you need to help send your kid to college, or you just need extra money for food and daily expenses, this can be an amazing solution for you. This is something that you can do in addition to an existing job, or you can make it your full-time job. Let me know if you have any questions so I can see if it's a good fit for you. And I can also help you choose which package is the great one to start with. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.